Welcome viewers, just compare the two videos. The first is before operation, the second is after the operation. Can you appreciate the eardrum perforation outlined, and through the perforation can you see the innermost bone also stapes? Yes, can you see now? And just now compare this with the eardrum which is moving out while closing the nose and mouth and then blowing the air, and air comes in the middle ear and cause the eardrum to move out. See how efficient this eardrum is. So just compare the two.